Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy RiyoTv, aka Dream TV, and we're back with another episode. Hey, quiet on set. Alright, so we're back with another episode. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We're almost close to 10,000 subscribers. It's our goal. Also, hit that like button, leave a comment. It helps out with the YouTube algorithm. So in today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, it's going to be how much I spend in a week. So I'm going to go throughout the week. I'm going to go throughout the week and tell you guys how much I spend day to day, so you'll get mini vlogs throughout the days. And then I'll also tell you how much I spend like as a month, like fixed expenses like rent, food, electricity, things like that. So let's get into the video. Like I said earlier, I'm just going to go over what I spend in a week. So this is the monthly expenses, which is water, electricity, food, and internet. So the water is about $23 a month, and that's about $5.35 a week. Electricity varies depending on how much you use it, but it's around $80 usually, and that's about $18.65 a week. What else? We got food. On the daily, we buy about like $6 worth of like meat, salads, bananas, things like that. Just like the produce that can't go like weeks. And that's about $6 a day we spend, or $41 a week. That's for the whole family. And then internet's about $35 a month, or $8.50 a week. So that's the four expenses. I'll have them on the screen kind of pop up. And that's the four expenses we go through on a monthly basis. Let's get the rest of it. All right, what's up, guys? It's RiyoTv. So today is day one. Today is Thursday. We're going to start off the week on a Thursday. I chose this day because we're going to go shopping. So in the intro, you guys see like my fixed cost for the week. I decided to eat breakfast and lunch at home. So we'll count that as a fixed cost for the day. Today we are at the souk. We got here with my cousin, dropped us off, so we won't count that as money. And then we'll just tell you how much I spend in a day and then go for the rest of the week. Let's get it. Alright, so the main reason I came here today is to get some new glasses. I broke my glasses. And to get like a kameez, some imamids, and some other little things. After like 40 minutes of looking, we haven't found a single kameez that I like. I'm looking for a specific kind, but I can't find it so far, but we'll keep looking. And these glasses, I guess the frames are like too small, so like we can't find a matching frame, so you guys know what we're talking. Alright, so we're back, and you guys recognize this place from our $1 street food video, Fire Shawarmas. We already ate 3 of them. We're about to get 4 more for a total of 70,000 shillings, which is about $8.20. I'm paying for everything that we kind of eat as a group, so I'm just going to add that to my weekly total. Alright, so just got back home. We found a ride back with my cousin. He was actually at the souk, so we just got a free ride back, so we won't count that. Alright, so we just got some snacks on the way home. This was 43,000, which is about $5. We kind of went crazy. Alright, so we went a little crazy on the snacks. We spent about 43,000, which is $5. That brings our total to 113,000. Today we got lucky. We didn't pay for any taxi or bus rides. We didn't also find our kameez, or I didn't fix my glasses, so that saved a lot of money for today. We're at 113,000 for today, which is about $13.25, 30 cents, which is going to be like total somewhere running on the screen over here. That ends day one. I'm not going to go out anymore, but that ends Thursday, so we'll pick this camera back up on Friday. Peace. Alright, so I lied about not going out again. Me and my baby went out, got some milkshakes. We got 2 milkshakes, 20,000 each. That's 40,000 total. And then we got 4 ice creams for different people in the house. Another 40,000. Each ice cream's 10,000. That totals 80,000. Another $10 out the window like that. Hey, here. Alright, so that brings the total to 193,000. There should be a tally somewhere on the screen when I'm editing it later. Day one was a little spendy for Africa, but tomorrow we're getting kameezes and glasses, so it's going to be even worse. Alright, so today is Friday, and we're going to continue how much I spend in a week. This morning, I ate breakfast and lunch at home, so it's around 4 p.m. We're going to go out right now, and I'm doing a YouTube video where I test like 10 different burgers. You'll see that in a future video. I don't know if it'll come up before this or not, so you'll see that. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to go buy 10 burgers. It's going to be a little costly, but at the end, I'll tell you how much just all burgers cost instead of just doing each burger, because you're going to see it in a future video. All right, so while we were driving, one of our tires got low air. So since I'm paying, I'm just gonna put that in how much I spend in a week, and it was about 3,000 shillings, which is less than 50 cents. Let's get it. All right, so we just got back home. So we went to 10 different burger spots. That's gonna be in a future video. It's probably gonna come out before this, so I won't explain that. Really, you'll see that in the next video. But we spent so far a total of, with all the burgers, the tire, and some drinks we got for the video, we spent about $26. And so we're just gonna end the day here because I don't think I'm gonna go out again. So we'll end the day Friday. We spent around $26 on burgers and drinks for a future video. So I'll pick up the camera on Saturday. Peace. All right, so once again, I lied about not going out. We're getting some late night snacks. So we got some lava cake from Cookie Time. This is all from Cookie Time. It's about $3. I think this is $1.50. It's another $3. Ice cream's $1. Milkshake is about $2. These are like some croissants with chocolate inside and croissant with honey. It's about 2.5 each, so that's $5 for a total of $13. Added to the total, so we'll have a total board somewhere on the screen. So, all right, so Friday we went a little wild on our budget. This is only because due to the YouTube video we were making, that kind of increased the budget. But I'll have a new total on the screen. I'm keeping this all in my notes, so I'll have a new total on the screen for the Friday. And then I'll actually pick up the camera tomorrow. This time I won't be leaving, so tune in tomorrow. Hey, what's up, guys? All right, so today is Saturday. It's dark out because I didn't do anything all day. This is like a day I spent home. I did go shopping though. I went grocery shopping. Actually, I didn't go. I sent somebody to go grocery shopping. But I ended up paying, so I didn't get any footage of it. But that cost $30. And that's literally all I spent today, just grocery shopping, featuring my baby. So, yeah, we went grocery shopping today on a Saturday. So total for today is $30. And we're definitely going to wrap up today. I'm not going to go out again. I actually didn't even go out. So tomorrow I might go out, but it just might be another lazy day. I don't usually go out on the weekdays, but let's get it. All right, so after rewatching this, I realized I said the weekend, and that might be confusing to a few people. So like in America, Saturday and Sunday are the weekends, but here in Hargeisa, it's actually Saturday through Wednesday is the weekdays, and then Thursday and Friday are the weekends, since Friday is Friday prayer. So most people, that's the weekend for us. So yeah, we got a few more days of the week, and I'll keep you guys updated. Peace. All right, so I was able to find some lighting finally, but it's about 11 p.m. on a Sunday. To be honest, I didn't even go out today. Today's a Sunday, so I posted a new video on Sunday today. And then also Sunday in America is homework day for me since I'm doing online classes. Yeah, so I didn't even go out. Right now I'm about to actually go out just to the store, get some snacks. I'll show you guys what I get. And then that's probably going to be the only thing I spend all day today. But actually that is going to be the only thing I spend all day today. And then I'll pick up the camera tomorrow. Hopefully I'll go out tomorrow. So tomorrow's Monday, so we'll see. Peace. About to go out, go get my khamis finally, and go get some more of these imamats. I need like 3 of these, you know, I like it. I'm about to go out, get some khamises. Right now, I'm about to get a taxi, so, you know. I know! Alright, so after we got our khamises, we're out here at a new place called King's Kebab. I've never tried it, but I always get chicken shawarma everywhere I go, so we're gonna try that. Let's get it. Alright, what's up guys? So today is day 6, I believe, and today we're gonna go shopping. We need some lights. most of my videos turn out kind of dark because we film in a room with low lighting. So right now what we're gonna do is go buy some lighting, maybe some LED lights or something like that, just to give the room some life. And then yeah. Alright, so we got these floodlights. They're meant to be hooked into the outside of the house, but instead what they did was they kind of built it for us. So these are the wires that connect to the outside of a house. So instead they got some other wires, and then they built us an extension cord, or they built us an outlet, and so now we can use it with plugging it instead of using a floodlight, what it's meant to be, and plugging it in the outside of the house. We also got some LED strips with a remote in here, with the little remote, so it changes colors. And yeah, let's get it. So we got these floodlights, as you guys seen, they built it for us. Turn on the light. Not only got one of these, but we got two of these powerful babies. Okay, so we're back for day 7. Today I actually do not have any plans. We're just gonna go out and get some food, get some snacks, maybe even go for a dinner for the final night, spend some money, you know. But tune in for day 7. Let's get it. Alright, so it's been a long week. We got the total, how much I spent from the week. Before you guys judge, I did pay for everybody. This is not only me, but I kind of, anytime I go out and I'm with my cousins or brother, I offer to pay. It's just kind of who I am. So a total of how much I spent for the week is $393.19. Gonna be right here on the screen. So that's how much I ended up spending in the week. Which, now looking at it, it's a lot of money, but you know, I did make some big purchases and things like that. So that was like a little mini vlog of day in the life. But I could do like better day in the life videos of like how living in Hargeisa is and things like that. So if you guys want to see it, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. Share the video and whatnot. It's been your boy RiyoTv. Oh wait, actually follow me on Instagram, then I'll do my outro. So it's been your boy RiyoTv, aka RiyoTv. Peace.